Welcome to Peter's online tutor. Today we shall be looking at mathematics. Now we have a question on the board. It reads, solve log 5 base 7 plus log 3 base 49. How do we solve this question? Let us go. Now let's have the question again. Log 5 base 7 plus log 3 base 49. All right. Now, log 5 base 7 plus, now this, I can change the base of log 3 base 49. Okay. So let me apply change of base here. This can be written as log 3 base 7 over log 49 base what? Base 7. Have I communicated? Now, based on what we are having here, this can still be written as log 5 base 7 plus log 3 base 7 over log. Now, 49 is 7 raised to the power of 2. So I can have 7 raised to the power of 2 base what? Base 7. All right. This can be written as log 5 base 7 plus log 3 base 7 over. Now, this can come here. So I'll be having 2 log 7 base what? Base 7. Is that clear? Now, log 7 base 7 is what? Is 1. So I'll be having log 5 base 7, okay, plus log 3 base 7, okay, over what? Over 2. Don't forget this. Is that understood? All right. This can be written as log 5 base 7 plus, I can write this as 1 over 2 log 3 base 7. Is that clear? All right. Now, this is equal to log 5 base 7, okay, plus log, now this 1 over 2 can become the power of what? Of 3. So I'm having 3 raised to the power of what? Of 1 over 2 base what? Base 7. Is that clear? All right. So this is log 5 base 7 plus log, now this can be written as root 3 base what? Base 7. Now if you look at this, they are not having the same what? The same base. Now from the laws, or from one of the laws of logarithm, now this can be written as log base 7 bracket open 5 times what? Times root 3. Is that understood? Now this is now equal to log 5 times root 3 is 5 root 3 base what? Base 7. So this is our answer. Thank you.